Welcome to the Happy Pear, where Dave and Steve, we're all about making it healthy vegan food that tastes fantastic. We upload videos on a Tuesdays and a Friday. Today we're going to be making falafel waffle, which is really cool to say, but it tastes incredibly tasty. It's a wonderful take on a traditional recipe. Tastes fab, quick, delicious, and here we go. Firstly, you're going to need a food processor. We're going to add in all the ingredients. Essential, we are using gram flour, so that's just chickpea flour. Falafel obviously is made with chickpeas. We're using 1 mug. I didn't say a cup, I said a mug. So this is a 12-ounce mug of gram flour, which is a variety of chickpea. In that goes. Boom. We've same size mug of water, so that's just a mug, a 12-ounce mug, as Stephen said. That's just a standard kitchen mug. Yeah, that's a 12-ounce mug. I have, for a binding agent, I have 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. In they go. I've got 2 teaspoons of salt. If you don't like salty, just put in less salt. We tend to like salt. Yeah, we tend to like it. Yeah. So 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 red chili, leave it out if you don't like it spicy. We like it spicy. If you want it less spicy, remove the seeds or the white pith. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Nice. These yolks are cool. 2 cloves of garlic, in they go. 2 red onions. These are little small red onions, so it's probably 1 large red onion. We're going with 2 small ones. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. And last, or well, 2 last final ingredients. Second last ingredient, we have fresh coriander, also known as cilantro. Take the stalk off, just the stalk. We're gonna add in the stalk. We're gonna keep the leaves for garnish and for flavor to go in it. And we've got juice of half a lemon. Lid on and blendy blendy. Final step, we want a bit of bite, because traditionally a falafel will have a little bit of bite, a little bit of texture. So we've taken 1 can of chickpeas, we've drained and rinsed them, and we're just literally gonna pulse this. That's a 400 gram can, net weight 280 grams. So just give it a gentle pulse, and the main reason here is that we want to get a bit of texture, a bit of bite in our falafel. Don't want it to be completely smooth. There we are, boom. So there's a nice bit of bite in that there. Okay, so waffle iron's been oiled up. I use the pastry brush just to spread it around. See, it's all nice and, well, it's nicely oiled. Okay, make sure I've gone right around the edges as well, so the falafel waffle comes off easily. And now it's as simple as just pouring it in. I'm excited about this. Should take about 10 minutes in the waffle iron. Okay, so it's been on for about 10 minutes. Time to the big reveal. Oh. Oh, nearly a little bit of cling. Here's a clever tip in terms of how to get your waffle out without it falling apart. Flip it over. Flip it over, and now through opening it, we're releasing bottom. Just in there. There you go, yeah. Oh, a little bit, there we go. It's really good. It's just a handy technique which, if you want to kind of maintain that beautiful kind of waffle texture that's so typical of a waffle. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's lovely. It's great taster. We have a beautiful falafel waffle here, really good texture. It's nice, moist. You can see the steam coming. Smells class. Crispy really does. Exterior, and it's spicy. This is our kind of favorite way to pimp it up. So we make our own hummus. So we're going to put 2 different types of hummus. Okay, next up, I have a few cherry tomatoes. I think a bit of moisture and just that fresh kind of typical veg, I think goes really, really well. I have some baby spinach here that I'm just going to slice up, just so it's easier to kind of get in your mouth. I'm just squeezing a tiny little bit of avocado on top. I think it goes fantastically. A little bit of spinach on top. This is take or leave. Some people hate cilantro or coriander. I love it. I think a falafel is not a falafel without some form of a little bit of a kind of mayo or tzatziki. We have a vegan mayo. Beautiful. Okay, here we go, the moment of truth. Oh, I like your... That's half a man, I like it. Half a man, there you go. I like your style, it's like a sandwich. Mayo. So here we are, falafel waffle. We love you, my darling. Here we go. Dedicating this one to you. 3, 2, 1. Wow. That's a taste sensation. Crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside, and just so flavoursome. Best falafel ever. Woohoo! Falafel waffle for the future. Woo! There's our vegan falafel waffle. So tasty, genuinely such a delicious, innovative way to consume a falafel.
If you want to know more, we've got a new book out, Recipes for Happiness. It's available for pre-order. Comes out in May 2018. I'm super excited about it. Our best book yet. Really is fantastic. So do check that out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and wishing you health and happiness. Bye.
Cheers.